Hello, welcome back. In our previous lesson, what did we learn? We learned about the front view of a system unit. Do you remember? Okay, we are done with the front view of the system unit. But now, what's next? The next one is the back view of the system unit. We want to learn all the components at the back view of the system unit. So let's try and focus only on the back view of the system unit. You take all the components and explain all. There are more. The first one that we want to talk about is power connector. Power connector. Is at the back of the system unit. This helps to tap the power from the switch. The next one is mouse port. Is also at the back of the system unit. That's the place where we insert the mouse. The port is at the back. The next one is keyboard. Keyboard. Is also at the back of the system. The next one is keyboard. Is at the back of the system unit. That is keyboard port. Keyboard port. At the back of the system unit, we also have a switch which turns on and off the system unit. It is called voltage switch. Voltage switch. It's at the back of the system unit. If you want to turn on and off the system unit, we use the voltage switch. We also have a port at the back. It is blue in color with multiple holes. We call that a serial port. A serial port. The next one is the printer port. It's also at the back of the system unit. Printer port. The next one is VGA. VGA. It is responsible for quality graphics. Quality graphics. The next one is the USB port. It's at the back of the system unit. We normally connect our phones using the USB port. The next one is microphone port. Microphone port. We also have line jack. It's also responsible for connecting other devices like speaker and many more. We also have headset jack. Headset jack. It is also used to connect the headset. The next one, is microphone. Microphone. We have already talked about that. If you want to take your voice into the computer, we use the microphone port. We have many components at the back of the system unit. I know that you can remember all of this. It is hard, but try and remember, okay? The last thing is the network port. Is also at the back of the system unit. So now, this is responsible for connecting internet devices. And the name of this is called network jack. All of these are at the back of the system unit. Now, we are done with our lesson today. I hope to meet you all in our next video. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye bye.